Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. Today we are watching some important dates and dates. Date name of important dates. First date 6 August means first Friday of August, International Beer Day. August 1st, Sunday of August, Friendship Day. 1st August, National Mountain Climbing Day. 1st August, Yorkshire Day. 4th August, US Coast Guard Day. 6th August, Hiroshima Day. 7th August, National Handicom Day. 8th August, Quit India Movement Day. 9th August, Nagasaki Day. 9th August, International Day of World's Indigenous Peoples. 12th August, International Youth Day. 12th August, World Elephant Day. 13th August, International Left-Handers Day. 13th August, World Organ Donation Day. 14th August, Azadi means Pakistan Independence Day. 15th August, National Mourning Day in Bangladesh. 15th August, Independence Day in India. 15th August, Day of the Assumption of the Virgin Mary. 16th August, Winnington Battle Day. 17th August, Indonesian Independence Day. 19th August, World Photography Day. 19th August, World Humanitarian Day. 20th August, World Mosquito Day. 20th August, Sadbhavana Divas. 20th August, Indian Akshay Urja Day. 23 August, International Day for the Remembrance of the Slave Trade and its Abolition. 23 August, European Day of Remembrance for Victims of Stalinism and Nazism. 26 August, Women's Equality Day. 29 August, National Sports Day. 30 August, Small Industry Day. And 31 August, Hari Merdeka means Malaysia National Day. So these all the important dates in August month. Now I have completed my short lecture. Namaskar.